colorful babes, happy early turkey day! It's Cosplay Makeup Monday again, and today we're turning ourselves into everyone's favorite vampire queen. That's right, today's look is all about Marceline. Well, and can we also talk about how Olivia Olsen's voice like made our childhood? From Marceline to Vanessa and Phineas and Ferb, like, we stan her so hard. So today we're paying homage to our favorite vampire queen. Hello you guys, it's Jazzy from naturallycolorfulbabe.com. Welcome back, and hello if you are new. Before we get started, you guys know the drill. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you care so that we can get to 1K, because that's our next goal. We're on the road to 1K. Want to take a light color. I have this awesome NYX palette of concealers. Most of the time the colors are for like color correcting, but I definitely suggest for hiding eyebrows during cosplay. This was about maybe like 10 bucks and it's the best 10 bucks I've ever spent. I'm gonna take the purple and I'm just gonna put it on top of my eyebrow. Thin layers, guys, thin layers. It's easier to add than it is to get rid of. Grab some setting powder. My favorite is this Raye setting powder. It's great for cream-based face paint to make it stay put. Okay, so I probably look a little crazy. Don't worry, don't worry. I'm gonna work this out. For this look, I'm gonna be using the Raye cream stick in this like moonlight white color. And I like to just put it on my face first. Don't forget your neck, please. Don't forget your neck. Then take your sponge and blend it all out. In a big fluffy brush like so, like that. You want to just dab it in the cap where you put the setting spray. Tap it off. Too much white will make you look like a ghost. And then just pat all over your face. So you can make sure that this stays put. I'm going to use a dark blue to go in and hollow out my cheeks and kind of figure out how I want to contour my face. And then go on top of that with a really dark purple. Same with the sides of your nose. Blend it out. Now you want to go into white face paint, and this is how you highlight. Just instead of rubbing it in, you're tapping it. Tap, tap, tap in. Awesome. We look good, y'all. We look good. I know it looks crazy. Trust me. It's going to work out. It's going to work out. So if it itches while you're putting it on, take one of these sponges and just tap your face lightly. It's kind of like when we pat our head when there's extensions into it. To itch it, it itches the same way. Otherwise, you're going to mess up everything you did and it's going to suck. Alright, next we're going to do the eyes. So I've looked at a lot of pictures, and every picture she has like a red smoky eye, so we're going to attempt this. I'm not a huge fan of red eyes, but she's a vampire, it makes sense, so let's try it. We're going to go into my cosplay palette that I made, and we're going to take this, this pinky red right there, and we're just going to put it right underneath our brow bone. That looks crazy, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it. We're gonna go in with this darker red right here. This is more of a true red, and we're just gonna line right at the bottom of that with that true red. Now find like a dark burgundy and kind of just go in there where at the bottom of where your imaginary crease is. Bring it out to the outer corner and then bring it down. Do that to the other side. Awesome. That looks good, guys. It looks good. You look amazing. I know you think, oh, she can't see me, but trust me. I believe in y'all. Go back into that white cream face paint. And then go back into that white face paint. Just a little bit will get you far. And we're gonna put that on our lid. We're going to go into a darker, deep purple right where that red is. We're going to add that in. I added a little bit of black to my outer corner. I'm just going to blend it out. I don't think Marceline's a glittery person in my mind, so I'm going to take like a little bit of like pink shimmer and add that on top of there. Alright, next up on our list is lips. So I'm just gonna do the red on the inside of my nail. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So I went on top of it with this really dark blue color from the Sophia collection, but to be honest, you could have just went over it with like a black lipstick and you would have been fine. I've seen some people give Marceline rosy cheeks, and I've seen other people not give her rosy cheeks. I think rosy cheek Marceline is the one I want to do. This part is optional. You are not required. Wonderful. Now go in with your highlighter. As usual, I'm using Opera. I'm going to use the Blissful Opera because it has a little bit more of a pink hue to it. So I want to add little black freckles to my Marceline. You don't have to. This is totally optional, but for me, it just, I don't know, it just feels right. All right, let's add our teeth. So you can buy vampire teeth on Amazon, and then you just mold them to your mouth. They fit right on your teeth like that. And there you have it. You are Marceline the Vampire Queen. To keep up to date with all of my cosplays and my fun looks, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Naturally Colorful Babe. I also just launched a really bomb podcast. So if you guys want to check it out, it's called Your Nerdy Girlfriend, and it's all about just like being a nerd and growing up in the nerd world. There are new episodes every Thursday. Make sure to like, share this video if you care, and comment down below, who's your favorite demon daughter? Is it Marceline the Vampire Queen, or is it Raven from Teen Titans? So make sure to subscribe to this video so you never miss another Cosplay Makeup Monday. You're not done. There's some more videos over there. Go check those out. Check out that playlist. I will see you guys next time. Peace.